Hey, what's going on, guys? We finally got a little break in the weather. Things have been outrageous out here, so I can finally come out here and show you what I got. I got this really nice 2014 Dodge Charger police package and this complete piece of junk 2004 Crown Vic. Believe it or not, I'm more excited about the Crown Vic, and I'll show you why here in just a bit. We're gonna fully search these vehicles for goodies, equipment, and possible biscuits. But first, let me give you guys a quick update. Remember the Ford Taurus Interceptor sedan? Well, it is now fully stripped down to its bare minimums. We pulled out everything, including the engine, transmission, the PTU, and it is now ready for another Taurus that may need a transplant. And Funny Man is excited to take the damaged frame to the recycling yard. Okay, let's get to the first car, the police Charger. Kitty prints. This is the Dodge Charger Police Pursuit Package, the 5.7 Hemi V8. I bought her for about $4,700 before taxes and fees. Usually a dealer car is barely touched, but these guys went overboard and removed everything. They took off all the antennas, including the regular AM/FM antenna. They ripped off the spotlights, they took off the push bumper, and they removed the fog lights, which is completely unnecessary. Yep, the GPS antenna is gone too. Okay, let's take a look inside. The interior is also stripped of everything. It's probably worse. They took the center console. They should have at least left the floor plate. Very clean in here, but it does smell like a wet carpet. Overall, it's in pretty good condition though. At least they were nice enough to leave the rear seats. I am very surprised that they even left the prisoner rear plastic hard seats. Oh, now that's why it smells nasty in here. Okay, let's check the trunk. Please be a biscuit? Yeah, right. There's no spare, no organizer, not surprising. All right, let's start this baby up. Oh yeah. It's got 122,000 miles. All right, so let's check under the hood. This bad girl is pushing 370 horsepower, 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine. Clean, dirty, but clean. All right, let's go take her out for a spin. See what she's about. Oh yeah, this is a 2004 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This is the other car I bought. Don't worry guys, we can rebuild her. We have the technology. I'm just kidding. I know what you guys are thinking. This thing is a piece of junk, but you are far from wrong. This car has full of money making potential. It's full of goodies, full of equipment. Let me show you. There could be a biscuit. Cross your fingers. Let's go. Look right there, guys. There's our first money maker. It's an AC control unit worth about $60. Let's get to it. Look at all this glass. I hope I don't get cut. Wish me luck. All right, guys. So the end of the video, we're gonna tally up the total amount of money I made from this car. Okay, now I want to get to this classic center console, but first I have to remove this seat right here. Ooh, it's nasty. Oof. Oh shit. Look at that. Haha. No way. Sweet. Look what I found in there. $20. Yeah. Wait a minute. Is this fake? Come on. Nope, it's real. Haha. So I was feeling lucky, so I took those $20 to my Lucky Casino to test my luck. And yeah, I lost. And just like that, we lose all our money. I felt really stupid for doing that. I could have bought Chase a rubber bone or something. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to be doing a lot of hacking away here. Wish me luck. Great success. Almost. All right, this is what I got so far. A Troy center console. Got some tail lights, the AC control, some other miscellaneous things. Okay, we gotta get this thing out of the way. There we go. I need the airbag and this corner piece right here. This piece too. Bro, that thing wasn't even connected the whole time. Later that night, we decided to test out the airbag. Just needs a little TLC. Okay, so this is a keyboard holder. I'm taking that off right now. Okay, removing the radio just took a little bit of wiggling, but look back here. There's some sort of Motorola device hidden in the back. Very interesting. Oh, okay. Oh, all right. So to remove this thing, I'm gonna need some power. Now the question is that possible? Let's find out. Nope, not possible. There's too many cut wires. Let's see if I can figure something else out. Okay, for now, the heck, what is this? Look at it, that's really just nothing. Anything, you can just cut right through that super easily. Okay, so let's remove this right here. All right, the odometer's gotta come out. All right, 128,000 miles. Okay. Oof. Another piece. Whoa, what is this? This might still be good. It's getting dark on me, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. I will continue. Believe it or not, these little weather strippings are super expensive. This one's coming off. All right, guys, so I was gone for a couple of days. Somebody took some parts. They stole the antenna, and there's a bunch of missing miscellaneous things. Okay, the cage is coming off next. Okay, so now it's just gotta pop out of the legs. All right, check this out. Between the seat and the cage, there's a Motorola Max Track 300. There's a bunch of wiring in here. Here's the antenna. There's an adapter for a cigarette port and an AC outlet. Very interesting. So the other piece that I found behind the radio obviously connects to this right here. Oh, it's a flashlight. Okay, I was trying to wiggle this out, but it looks like I missed one bolt. Salsa, anybody? Okay, so the seatbelts are gonna be coming off now. Okay, this whole plastic piece is coming off now. Oh, that looks like a crystally like white substance. If I had to guess, I'd say it's meth. All of this goes together. Okay, we got speakers and another seatbelt here to remove. And whatever this is. But first, I'm gonna remove this soundproof layer here to get off the hinges. What the hell's that doing over here? That's some sort of glove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The good piece right here, it's got some antenna holes, but it's okay. And it's got the gun rack thing. Hopefully I can find the rest of it in here. Okay, there is a bunch of junk. Some of the stuff I threw in here, that was in the front. It's a Touchmaster. bullet. The black tip. Bruh. No. Bruh. No. Oh, Hey Siri, call the bomb squad.
Okay, I'll call the bomb squad.
It's busy. What am I supposed to do? Okay, we're trying to find something to blow up. I don't want to throw it in there because that thing is a little crazier. But see, those are, you know, I'm like, that would be perfect to blow up over there, but it doesn't belong to me. Yeah. So I can't blow it up. Is that a hawk?
Yeah, it is a hawk.
Probably looking for a rat.
Ooh.
I want to blow up that porta potty. It doesn't belong to me, like I said.
You can put it in a...
Believe it or not, that doesn't belong to me either.
A barrel?
In a barrel? I think that barrel is just gonna blow up.
Well, probably, you know, it's
maybe,
like
maybe. Oh, the barrel.
No, it's like a 1 in 50 chance though, because if it does nothing, we have no content.
It's true. You know what? What is there? Is that one empty? Is one? We gotta find one that's. Yep, that's our whips right there, just chilling. All right, let's walk over here and try to figure something out. I'm not gonna lie, carrying this thing around is super nerve-wracking. All right, guys. So all you gotta do is pull this pin right here, and as long as you don't let go, you're good. But then, when you want to ignite it, you want to make it go boom. We should probably skedaddle. Shit. Yeah, buddy. Okay, so look at this. No damage. So that leads me to believe that that was a concussion grenade of some sort. All right, let's test her out. See what she's about.